So today's day 6. It's a Sunday. We've just been to the markets, so we're getting a bit of a later start. What are you doing, silly? So we're getting a bit of a later start. Yesterday we finished building the bed frames, but we didn't put them in the floor yet because we wanted to seal around the edges of the floor with some Sikaflex. Say if we spill something in the van, just to stop that from, running down underneath the floor. So the bed's actually going to sit pretty low this time. The reason for that is because I'm really tall and the roof of our van's really low. While we're traveling, we'd like to be doing some work on our laptops off-grid. So it's really a necessity for us to have a comfortable workspace. So we've just finished screwing the frame into the floor. We used some L brackets. These things here from Bunnings are $4 for a pack of 8, and we used about 12 of them total. The back of this van's a little bit difficult to build a bed frame for, so we decided to mount this part of the frame just out a bit so it stays the full length of the bed, and we did that so that we can lay a slat across the top here like this and have it support the bed all the way across to the corner, and then the bed can just overhang and we can put the slats in there like that a little bit. This is our little makeshift workers bench. Just 3 buckets. We just use some sunnies for safety glasses, and we're just cutting straight along this trace line here all the way along. Last thing we have to do now is just lay the slats along the top and screw them in, and then there'll be the bed done. We're just sticking some butyl tape down underneath or between the slat and the wheel well itself. It's sticky on both sides. Peeling the paper back on the other side is a bit of a pain sometimes, but once it's done, it sits down just like that. It stops it from moving about. We had a foam mattress in our last van and it was super comfy. It was only 15 centimeters thick, that last one. This time we're going to go with 20 centimeters with a nice memory foam topper on the top. If you have any questions about living in a van or building a van, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.